In this video, I would like to talk about grow lights and why you should use them. Grow lights support the growth and the development of plants, and it enables you to grow all year round. That gives you many benefits because you are not depending on weather circumstances. Grow lights are increasingly popular right now, but the idea of grow lights has been around for a very long time. For example, tissue culture laboratories already started using this kind of lighting in the 1950s. Of course, lighting technology at that time was different. Nowadays, many people are using LEDs and they are able to produce energy efficient light, and LED has better control options. In short, we can make the kind of right light that the plants need, for example for better growth, faster growth and more consistent growth. Now if you are using fluorescent, why switch to LED tubes or LED grow lights? There are different benefits. First, you can cut your energy consumption in half and you will have instant savings on your energy bill. Second, you will have a 2 to 3 times longer lifetime, and you have a very fast payback. For general grow light applications in laboratory, chambers, shelves, grow racks, grow towers, nursery is a very good choice. It works basically with a 120 to 240 voltage input, and you can connect it directly to the mains. It has a very efficient micromole output, and it allows you to install the lights in a very long light line or in a daisy chain up to 18 meters of light. They come in different lengths. For example, for professional lights we have 1200 mm, but there are also other versions like 875, 600 mm, and for consumers there's also a version of 450 mm. Quick question in between. How heavy do you think the nursery tree light is? 170 gram, 350 gram or 500 gram? Well, you guessed it probably correct. It's only 170 gram, so you don't have to worry about weight, and this can be a benefit especially if you stack and grow on vertical levels. Now let's look at the light. How do we know that the light is so good for plants? One of the reasons how we know is that we actually look at the plant science, and also we always measure the light and specify our light. Here is a spectrometer, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. A spectrometer can measure brightness, the content of light, the quality of light as it is seen by people and plants. As you can see, this light contains a lot of deep red, more than 50%, and the human eye is very perceptible for other colors except red. Therefore, to make the light appear brighter, normally commercial lights contain a large amount of blue and a large amount of green with a very small amount of red, and green can be up to 50% of the total content of light. Normal sunlight has about 25% of red, 25% of green, 25% of blue and 25% of far red, and all colors are spread equally to provide light for all living beings and organisms. An LED has typically a peak on blue if it is cool white and a peak in orange if it is warm white. Plants need all these colors to live and thrive, but the most important colors are red and blue. Red is an important color to increase the efficiency of the photosynthesis. It is necessary to develop leaves, shoots and rooting. Blue reduces the elongation of plants, and it is important for leaves and the color of the plant. It also stimulates the opening of the stomata. Green supports open leaf structures and helps you as a grower to see your plants well. If you didn't include green in this light, then the light would be purple, as you might know, and it would be very uncomfortable for the human eye, or you might experience dry eyes. So this light is putting the needs of the plants first, and at the same time to have enough quality of light for you as a grower to see your plants well. The professional lights come with a transparent optic, and this transparent optic increases the efficiency and makes sure all light is emitted and reaches on the plant. For those that are growing in retail spaces, offices or hospitality, you might consider a diffused optic. So the nursery tree is also available with a diffused optic, and it combines the colors of light during the passing through the optic, and it's a great choice if you would like to have a high-end look and feel for your grow lights, and make sure that it has plant-centric light and also suitable for a architectural or enjoyable presentation. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to learn more, please watch our other videos, and here's another tip before you leave. One important thing for vertical farms and indoor growing is actually the installation. So these kind of lights are able to set up in less than 30 seconds per light. And that's very important, so you don't have to do a lot of wiring, cutting and all those kind of things. You can simply install them and connect them to the power, so you can focus on growing and continue to grow well. Thank you for watching.